Hello and welcome to CJT Academy, your home for forex education. Today, we're just going to go over a couple trades here real quick, taken yesterday. And these were trades called out in the free Telegram and also the private Telegram. Of course, in the private Telegram, you get entries, stop loss, and entries, whereas in the free Telegram, you just get a general idea of the trade that I'm looking at. So if you're in the telegrams, you would have seen these trades here. This was gold, right? So not yesterday, but the day before. So Monday, we took sales here. Again, this was all called out in the private and the free telegrams. So we took this sell right here for 130 pips. And then yesterday, we took more sales here for 65 pips. And as this trade kind of got triggered, this previous trade here hit take profit, and we then continued bearish and hit second take profit for 65 pips. So all in all, in 2 days, we had trades here on gold, 2 trades hit take profit for a total of 195 pips, and they were just back to back just a few hours after each other. And basically what this was off is we had a double top right here, right? It was creating a very strong resistance. We start to see some slowdown in the market. We can see price moving bullish, but we're getting strong rejection wicks to the upside each time. And then we have a few taps of this level in here, 1, 2, 3. And then price starts selling off to the downside. We break some market structure. So we break these lows down here. You can see we made lows here, and then we broke those lows over here and broke structure to the downside before we retested and then started to sell off. And then what we had was 12-hour type 3 setups, 12-hour type 3 bearish setups, right? And that's what we took the first sales based off, break of market structure, 12-hour type 3 bearish setup. And then we had some 8-hour for the second trade. We had the 8-hour continuation, so we had an 8-hour type 3 setup, bearish setup again, to continue that move to the downside, right? And now if we go to the daily, we can see that we've now got a daily type 3 setup, right? If you guys don't know what a type 3 setup is, you're gonna learn that in the CJT Academy, all right? All these were based off type 3 setups, what just happened. And yeah, we just managed to capture this whole move to the downside here, right? This whole move pretty much. So that was a beautiful trade. Just some candlestick patterns, some market structure, some resistance, break of structure, and then a beautiful type 3, 2 beautiful type 3 setups on different time frames. And now we've potentially got some more type 3 sales based off the daily under this level right here. Price has come down and rejected off this support level potentially at the moment. We're looking like we're continuing bearish here, so we'll see what happens around this level. But that was gold. And then yesterday we also had gbpjpy buys, which I took profit. Again, you'll be able to see all this in the free Telegram, and also, like I said, the paid Telegram as well. So here's the GA trade that you can see right here, 1,270. And this was based off of a daily type 3, right? So we have daily type 3 here, right? And what we did was we took our buys on the breaks of that previous daily candle, and we caught this little move up right here. Stops had to be a little bit big, so we didn't get the full 1-to-1. And then I took profits around about here somewhere when I went to sleep last night, because I don't like being in GBP AUD overnight, because when it opens up in the morning, you get massive spreads on this pair, and it usually stops you out or take you out at break even though it hasn't hit your break even or stop loss, because of how wide the spreads turn in the morning on GBP AUD. So that's that. You can see gold gold in here. I don't think I shared the profit, but you can see the gold trade here. I made on gold yesterday. Let's have a quick look. $2,010.30. And if I can just quickly show you there. Wonder if I can quickly show you. Always waiting for you to stick it to the bone. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see that. Gold. Yeah, but it says it's gold, $2,010. I didn't bring up the image on the computer. I forgot before I pressed record, but it's all documented in the telegrams anyway. So basically I took profits on GA here just before I went to bed, and as you can see it continued up a little bit more and then it reversed. So that was a beautiful trade. Looks like price is potentially rejecting this level here now, and we're going to potentially continue bearish. Don't have much yet. We potentially have an 8-hour type 3 candle pattern set up in here within the next hour and 20 minutes, maybe lining up with a 4-hour as well. But we'll see how this 8-hour candle closes. Potentially got a 4-hour type 3 in here as well. But what we just need to look out for is that price isn't just coming back to this level for a retest as like a head, left shoulder, head and shoulder pattern, right? Bounce off this right shoulder and continue bullish. So we just need to be a bit careful with that. But we'll definitely keep an eye here on GA for the type 3 setups on the 8-hour and the 4-hour. Moving on to GJ. We are currently, I am currently in this sell. This was also called out yesterday in the free telegram. So this is the free telegram. As you can see, I don't give actual entry points or stop loss or take profit, whereas in the private telegram I do. As you can see, this is the same setup here on GJ, but I give a stop loss, an entry, and a take profit, which is the difference. And it's currently in a little bit of profit. So what happened is price drove down. We saw bits of profit, then we pulled back and retested this 12-hour level. Like I said, this was based off a 12-hour type 3 candle pattern setup, and we've retested it, and now we're potentially moving bearish again. We potentially got a type 3 4-hour bearish candle pattern setup here on the close of this 4-hour in 1 hour 20 minutes. So there could be potentials for more sales here. I might stack a position. But yeah, that's that was yesterday's trades. If you guys want to join the free telegram, the link is below. If you guys want to join the CJT Academy and the private telegram, the link is also below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.